back to Tugs Rugs. This is Travis here, man. You can see I'm outside because I'm excited for this project today. It's not because of just the rug, it's the actual gun, man. I am about to show y'all this 2-in-1 tufting gun. And guess what it is, man? It's a cordless one, man, and it uses lithium batteries, man. The same type of battery that you use when you're using your drill or something, your battery powered drill, you charge it up. It's new to the market, man, so you already know I have to be the one that show y'all, review this thing, so y'all can go ahead and cock y'all one of them things, man. So this thing says it does do the 2-in-1, so that means basically it does the cut power and the loop power. So inside the book that comes with it, you will, sorry about the wind in the background, like I said, I'm outside, because I don't have to use no plugs, man. So it does have some YouTube links that you could go to so you can see how to change this thing out. I'm not gonna do that today. We're only gonna be doing the cut power today. We're gonna go ahead and create a rug on the burlap, because you know I like to use burlap because it's a cheaper fabric, man. It's cheaper in price, and it's cheaper in fabric as well, and cloth. So I'm gonna do on the burlap, and I'm also going to do on the primary cloth. I mean, I want to see if this thing go ahead and work on all types of cloth. So you know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and get to this thing, man. Let's get to it. Let's go. All right, let's get to the unboxing part, man. So you got your nice little box, nice colors and stuff to it. Got the little yarn, little design, little logo on it. Tufting gun. Let's open it up and see what we got inside. All right, so it's nice little packaging. You got your little thing here so your gun won't get smushed up in the mail. You got your booklet with the instructions. It comes with some primary cloth. Comes with your yarn feeder. You got a charger for your batteries, and you got 2 batteries, people. You got 2 batteries. Let's see what these batteries look like. So I'm gonna open up the batteries. Boom, look at that. And basically you can check the battery life on it. So fresh out the box, we already got 3 bars. Let's see what the other one has. 3 bars, all right, man. So we're gonna be able to complete a rug today, man. It says it's supposed to last 2.5 hours. So we're about to see. We're about to see. Well, we're not gonna be tufting for 2.5 hours. Let's see the gun itself. So you got your gun itself. Look at that. So you got your trigger down here. You put your battery in here. Let's put that battery on. And you got, look like your adjustment, so for your speed. Let's cut it on. Look at it, it's on. Oh, shoot now. Let's see. That's slow. Oh, yeah. So that thing goes pretty fast, man. So this thing here, it looks like it's got people in the background making all that noise. This one is like the one with the black trigger, because it has a little yellow piece right here. It's built nice, and the same way up here is built the same as the one with the black trigger. It has a black trigger on here, and it also comes with some pieces in here, maybe some extra screws and things like that, maybe for when you switch it out. I'm not sure. Still trying to see how you'll switch it out, but like I said, we're not going to do that today. But we're going to go ahead and get to it, man. Let me get some fabric on my cloth, and let's go ahead and get to it. For those who are new to tufting, I'm going to use the yarn feeder for this, and that's this little thing here with the little wire on the end. And we're going to use 2 yarns. I like to use 2 yarns because, sorry, my yarn fell. I like to use 2 yarns so more yarn can go inside my cloth. All right, this is the same way you would do a regular tufting gun. You will put your little hole right here. You'll put your yarn feeder in there, and then you'll put it right through here. All right, once you get it in there, then you'll just simply grab your 2 pieces of yarn, you put them together, you put them through the wire like so, and then all you do is just pull that right on through. All right, so we got that thing nice and ready. Throw that to the side. You don't need that no more unless your yarn comes out. And like I said, we're gonna work on burlap right now for the first one. We have a logo on here. It is the South Dakota State University Jackrabbits that we're gonna be doing today. The CEO of Tugs Rugs, man, he's getting recruited by them to play football there, man. Yes, they're Division I, they're in the FCS. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start on this one, but I'm gonna finish it up on the primary cloth. So we just kind of want to see how it works on the burlap first. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up because I can see the lines better on the primary cloth because it's more of a lighter color. But let's go ahead and get to it. Let's move you a little closer so we can see what we got going on. So we got the blue going on first. Just cut that thing on. As always, make sure you push your gun all the way in. Already, people, it hasn't put a hole in. I'm gonna cut that up just a little bit more. Oh my gosh, it's working on burlap, y'all. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Cut it up a little bit more. Let's see what we got. There we go. All right. All right, what I'm noticing that once the higher I go, it started to rip up the burlap. So it's working on burlap, but in spots it's ripping it up already. So I'm just gonna cut that thing back down some, but it might be too powerful. So like I said, the one with the black trigger is sometimes too powerful for burlap. But I just cut it down and it's actually going great. So we're just gonna keep it going around here. Make sure y'all can see. Let me put y'all to the side over here so y'all can see this thing in action, man. I'm outside and it is crazy. I'm excited about this gun, man. Oh my God. Look at us go. Look at us go. All right, I had my yarn come out. But let's turn around. Let's see what's on the other side. Well, let's go to the other side. All right. So that thing is nice, man. Look how high that is. It's nice and soft. It puts the yarn in there. I'm loving it. But it is putting holes in the burlap, so I do recommend using the primary cloth with this. I know a lot of people use the primary cloth. It's a better cloth anyway, and it actually comes with the kit. So it didn't come with burlap, so it came with the primary cloth. So like I said, I'm loving it. It works well. I recommend it already, but let's go ahead and change this out for the primary cloth. Like I said, I already have one drawn up. I just kind of wanted to see what it is, you know, how it works on my good old burlap. So let's go ahead and switch this out. But look at that, man. Look at that. That is in there. I'm feeling this tufting gun already. Let's get that primary cloth on there. All right, so that's those jackrabbits right there. I grabbed a little quick, easy little logo, something that just have shape so I can go ahead and get it going. But we're gonna go ahead and get this rug created, man. Let's get to it, man, and see what it's like on primary cloth. I'm loving this gun. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. We for real have a cordless battery powered tufting gun, man. I'm definitely gonna leave the link at the bottom so you can check this out, man. You can get you one of these. This is sick. Sick with it. All right, let's go ahead and speed this thing up.
Perfect.
All right, so we got all the blue done. Let's look on the other side, see what we got going on. Oh, yes, Lord. All right, so what had happened here, I noticed when I headed down too low and I was kind of digging in it, it was kind of like cutting some of that burlap. Oh, that's not even nothing. I thought that's what it was, but those come out pretty easy. Sometimes you can't get those little pieces out. But yeah, that came out pretty good. I have the speed on probably like in the middle and mid. So let's go ahead and get some of that white on there and let's keep this thing going, man, so we can get a completed work with a battery powered, lithium powered tufting gun, man. All right, let's get that white in there. Let's see how it is in like small spots, man. See if we get some good definition in there. Yes, Lord, I love it. I love it. It is going pretty good, man. Hey, I recommend you get one of these, man. Like I said, the link is in the bio. It's a great gun. Yes. So I got this thing kind of turned up now. And it's doing great. Try to get some white in that spot. Woo! Yes. This is going good. Just gonna outline some white around the blue, just so I'm not running into the blue. So now what I can do, I can either go this way like this here and just complete it. So now I have a start point and an end point without running into the blue. It's getting kind of windy out here, real windy. Like I said, we were outside, but let's go ahead and keep this thing going. Let's speed it up. Just like that, people, we took the whole rug outside, no plug, lithium battery. Let's see how much juice left. This probably took me, oh my gosh, look, it's still on the 3 bars. So this is true. This will last you probably 2.5 hours with 1 battery. It comes with 2. So you're looking at 5 hours of tufting that you could do. You can throw the other one back on the charger. But that is it, man. We have created a rug outside. I'm glad I used those 2 shades right there, because you can see the shades right there. Oh my goodness gracious. Yes, recommended. All right, man, you witnessed me tuft the whole rug with the lithium battery tufting gun, man. I do recommend this. Like I said, hey, the battery is still going, still on 3 bars. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and click that bell, man.